Another. Good.
Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox something new and special. So let's open the box. It's going to be very exciting, guys. My wife is helping me to open the box.
I got it.
It's Motorola G73. Check out the box. It has a 50 megapixel camera with ultra pixel technology. So let's open the box, guys. So here is the box. So this is the mobile Motorola G73. Wow, guys, it's awesome. So let's power up the phone and see if it has battery. And it's starting. So let's see what's in the box. So there is I think this is manual. This is charger cable, and this is the charger. We have type C to type C charger with this. So this is 30 watt fast charger. So the phone is booting up. So let's set up the phone. So I have taken out the mobile cover. As you can see, this is the SIM tray here. So let's open the SIM tray. So it has a single SIM, and you can use another SIM or a memory card. So let's insert the SIM. So it has a rubber gasket over here because it is IP6 IP rated waterproof. Okay, I have inserted the SIM. So here I have a 3.5 mm jack, and this is a USB-C port, and this is a speaker grill, and here this is a fingerprint reader and also power button. This is up volume and down volume. So this is the main camera, which is 50 megapixel, and below it it has another camera lens that is both it is both depth sensor and macro, and this is a flashlight. And here it has a noise cancellation, and it also has a Dolby Atmos sound technology. So let's open the screen, guys. So this is the home screen. As you can see, it's very fast. So I can open the applications very fast. So let's talk about the camera here. Let's see how it works. This is front video recording of the Motorola G73. This is the sample video of Motorola G73 primary camera.